So this is the comment section where we take a look at what you have to say. Let us know what you think about anything you hear down in the comments, and we might just read it out.
I've been seeing a lot of conversation around PewDiePie overall in the dev community as well. So this is interesting.
I love this journey that he's gone on, actually becoming pretty much a developer. And what I really love is how AI has empowered him to, one, it's inspired him, but also just the age that we're in, it's so easy. We thought the internet was great, right? Having the internet in our pockets with our phone. But now with AI, we can get very bespoke learning, and we can learn new things and much quicker. But what I'm finding is that, let's take this comment as an example from our old friend Paul here. It helps that he's a multi-millionaire with time to do whatever he wants. Now, I interpret that as, and there's a lot of comments around this, that there's, that's all right. All it started was a dream and a personal fortune. Because bearing in mind that the stack that PewDiePie built was like 20 grand, wasn't it? It's like crazy.
Yeah.
Really expensive thing. But I don't really mention that really in the post. I just sort of talk about his journey and whatever. But there's a lot of like focus on this idea of like needing cash. And I'm trying, there are a few people in here saying, that they're constantly learning, what they've really enjoyed about it. Someone here is saying that they've built their own kind of LLM and doing this, that, and the other. A lot of people were inspired. It's just a few, and we've spoke about this briefly before the show. Few just seem to focus on the financial aspect, and I want to know if you've seen the video, whether that's what you got from that, like the money aspect. I want the focus to be that now is such a great time to become a developer. It's so easy, and the resources are out there to become an incredible developer. And it should not stop us. But so if you got, well, actually, I'll say, because it was your article, wasn't it, that you sort of brought to the show?
Yeah.
What was your
I watched the video and I was inspired. I see PewDiePie doing this and I'm like, amazing. This guy, I've been watching his videos for a decade now. Legit, like, I don't know, maybe 12 years since I've been like watching his videos. And yes, sometimes less, sometimes more. And I saw like he's becoming more interested in engineering. And this is amazing. It's not just, somebody liking engineering. It's somebody getting deep into something, right? In this case, this is engineering and computer science. And it could be, I don't know, it could be something else. It could be anything, essentially. He had a time where he got into drawing. This is the thing about PewDiePie, by the way. One of the reasons he's so big, he has so many followers, is he has been changing, like getting into things and like actually giving it a try, not just liking it for a day or two, but actually trying it and sharing his experience, whether that's gaming, drawing, or at this time, development and computer science and engineering. And it's very nice to see it. And I don't think you need a crazy setup to do this. Probably most of people in the comments, they have like the minimum enough to start with something. And even if you don't have that, even if you have just like a very basic laptop, you can fire up Cursor, right? Mm-hmm. And you can start learning. Yes, you can't run your own LLM, but it doesn't matter. You can do something else. Front end, back end, any type of learning, you can do it.
Yeah. And I'm glad that's your sentiment too, because again, like I want to just empower you guys who are watching the show to be, not looking for the negativity and not looking for excuses, which I feel like some of these comments are looking for excuses to like not learn, or, it wasn't the fact that he built. I mean, I was slightly inspired that he built a server, but I wasn't about to be like, oh, he can only do that because he spent 20 grand on 5, I don't even know what the name of the graphics card are. No, I was like, what can I do on my 5-year-old MacBook M1? And, I was inspired in that way, but it's interesting that people look
Yeah.
for
And
those
by the way, like
experiences.
most people who have the money that PewDiePie has don't do the things that he is doing right now. So
Yeah,
yeah, so
yeah,
that's not really the point. The point
yeah.
is he is learning something. This he doesn't have to do the spider. He could easily like hire people, build him an app, or build him whatever that he wants. But
Mm,
he's not doing it for the sake of that. He's doing it for the sake of learning and having fun with it, and that should be your takeaway.
yeah,
You
exactly.
pick something that you absolutely suck at. That's also a part of it. You absolutely suck at it, and it is going to be painful at the start, but you pick it and you stick with it and you go,
Mm,
you learn it. And while you advance, you will have fun with it, because you
mm,
will have fun with it once you get good, once you like get something and you can make things, you will love it. You
mm,
won't as long as like at the start, but just know it. That's a part of the process. Trust the process and pick it up, and yeah,
mm.
go learn something.
Let's not let our instant gratification, the instant gratification world we live in, deter us from persistence and, you know, persistence, right? It's going to be hard. It's going to be tough. And we aren't going to learn things. We aren't going to get things right straight away, but slowly but surely you start to see, oh crap, like I'm actually, and you'll be surprised. Reflect on what you've learned, reflect on where you start, remember what you were when you started out this journey, and just reflect on that and be encouraged to get better and learn more, because now it's easier now more than ever just to kind of like start something, not get immediate results, and be like, oh, okay, I'm going to move
Yeah,
on to the next one. Just this stuff takes time, and especially with development, but design, there's so much more. There's always more to learn. Just be encouraged that it's easier to learn, and don't I guess don't rest on the laurels of like just because it's easy to do something with AI, say coding, dig into the code, understand what it's doing, and that's what we'll talk about later on. But yeah,
yeah,
I think we've spoken about this long enough. But I just want our
yeah.
community to feel inspired by what is going on, rather than feel let down or discouraged, because
I
that's
agree.
what a lot of people do, and they bring a lot of negativity to some of these comments. It's like they're misinterpreting the point. And if they're gonna make excuses for not being a better version of themselves, and let them be it. Yeah. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.